हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम कुछ कंप्यूटर के कुछ MCQs करते हैं। पहला है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर? रैम, हार्ड ड्राइव, CPU, मॉनिटर। एंड आंसर इज CPU. The central processing unit is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations, making it the brain of the computer. So, which of the following is the brain of computer? It is CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Second question, which part of the computer is used for long-term data storage? RAM, ROM, hard disk, cache memory. It is hard disk. Hard disk is used for long-term data storage. RAM is a temporary storage. RAM is a temporary storage. But hard disk is used for long-term data storage. Hard disk or solid state drive store data permanently, unlike RAM, which is temporary and loses data when the computer is turned off. Third question, what does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hypertransfer Text Process, High Text Transfer Protocol, Hyperlink Transfer Text Protocol. It is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the foundation of communication on the World Wide Web and is used to load web pages. Fourth question, what is the full form of RAM? Read access memory, randomly accessed memory, random access memory, rapid access memory. It is random access memory. Full form of RAM, random access memory. RAM is a temporary storage. RAM is a temporary memory of a computer that stores data that is actively being used by the processor. It is faster than storage devices but loses data when the power is turned off. So RAM is a temporary memory of a computer. Which device is used to input graphical images into the computer? Scanner, printer, monitor, keyboard. It is scanner. Scanner is used to input graphical images into the computer. A scanner is used to convert physical documents or images into digital format. Thank you.